Linking Godaddy domain name to hosting or hosting by changing Nameservers is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Navigate to the website section within the dashboard. Once there, you'll encounter the Create New Site option. This is where you'll begin customizing your site for a personalized experience. You'll be asked to specify the type of website you're aiming to build. For the sake of this example, I'll be skipping this step. Similarly, you'll encounter a question regarding whether you're migrating an existing site or creating a new one. Feel free to select the option most relevant to your situation. For this demonstration, I'll be skipping this decision as well. Moving forward, opt to use existing domain. I already own a domain name. Input your domain name and click Continue. At this point, Hostinger will prompt you to modify the name servers for your domain. These name servers need to match those provided by Hostinger's hosting. To achieve this, you'll need to access your domain settings within your Godaddy control panel. Once there, locate your domain and click on the Manage button. Navigate to DNS settings and find the Name Servers option. Click on Change Name Servers, followed by selecting the Use My Own option. It's time to copy the Hostinger name servers and paste them into the designated field on Godaddy. After this, remember to save your changes. It's important to note that this process might take up to 24 hours to fully propagate. Returning to Hostinger, click Continue to proceed. Congratulations, you've successfully completed the initial steps. You can now either click on Manage Site to delve deeper into the site setup, or, if you prefer, you can navigate back to the home page for further exploration and options.